Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Hey y'all, so I am showing you all how I do my client's traditional sew-in. She has a lot of hair, but it is beautiful, y'all. So as you can see, I had put those two braids in the front because that is her leave out, and also the braids that are already on the side before I started braiding is all her leave out. I'm going to start by braiding in her hair. So pretty much I do like a regular braid pattern, just like a couple on the side. Then I ended up connecting them once I got closer to the back, as you will see later on in this video. After I finish doing her braid pattern, I am going to sew her braid down so that it can blend in and it's not sticking out. Then I am going to begin to sew her bundles that she gave me. She gave me like 2-3 different bundles. They was like curly bundles, but I pretty much show you how I go in between after I finish sewing down her bundles, because she had like some brown ones and her hair was totally a different color from the bundles, but we made it work. She told me she was gonna dye her hair the same color as the bundles. I'm not sure if she did it or not, but I hope she did. But we still try to make the look like, you know, how it's supposed to, something fabulous, something good, even if she didn't dye her hair. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna continue to let you watch me work. I pretty much will show you at the end how the finished look will be, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to catch more videos like these. I probably do a more in-depth detailed traditional sewing video, but for now this is just, you know, some light for y'all, you know what I'm saying? And I hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk to y'all soon, trendsetters.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Omniscient, your presence always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. So prove it that this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against the views all around me? I lay your face. Been drowning mountains in the sea. On with scriptures, dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that, this that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. This you know that I said it right. We gon' be alright. We gon' be just fine. And we gonna be, and we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be, we gon' be alright, we gon' be alright. It's that good news. Don't worry about me, Jesus got me, I stay winning. Say I stay running. That's a fact. That cannot be love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you.